Whew, my last video of the day, and I just filmed 5 videos, so thumbs up for me for doing a great job. Hey, what's up y'all? It's me, Jennie here. So today I am here to review the Kevyn Aucoin Foundation Balm. So if you can't see it, it looks like this. Sorry, there's like a glare. But anyways, I will have a picture right here in case the glare is bad when I'm editing. So I wanted to talk about it. It is a fantastic foundation. So you get 22.3 grams. So like that's a lot of foundation considering that this is highly pigmented. So you get to control the coverage whether you want light, medium, or full coverage. It comes with a brush. To get light coverage, you tap it just a little bit. To get medium coverage, I usually do a swirl once around. To get full coverage, like I just go in there and I just like go nuts, and then they put it all over my face. But yeah, it's a lot of foundation. It's a lot of pigment. Truth be told, I don't really need concealer. If I have like a pimple, it covers it so well that I don't need concealer. It also covers my dark under eyes if I haven't gotten a lot of sleep. So I'll just take my finger and I will put it underneath my eyes. It's like a fantastic foundation. I'm wearing it on my skin right now. And also, I used to wear like a lot of liquid foundation, and I find with liquid foundation, it would take me at least, like a proper application with a beauty blender, it would take me at least maybe 5 minutes to put it on. This, and including to cover all of my dark circles and all my pimples, will take me at least like 45 seconds. I did buy this in Sephora for $68 Canadian. I don't know how much it is in American. I will link that down below. I really should finish this review soon because I can hear Kyler. He just woke up from his nap. When you purchase it, it comes with a brush, and this brush is of high quality. I've washed it a few times, and it is like, it's fantastic. No bristles come out. I have heard reviews where the bristles do come out. Mine doesn't come out. I guess I should do a quick tip video about how I wash my brushes. And the last thing that is very important to me, it feels like when you put your finger in it, it dries, like it feels creamy, but when it hits your face, it dries like a powder. And that's important to me because I have oily skin. Because I am programmed to think that no matter what foundation I use, the oils will come through. I still use a setting powder, but that's just me because I'm crazy like that. However, like in reality, you don't need a setting powder. That's about it. So I have to attend to Kyler. He woke up from his nap, but I just want to do this quick foundation review of this great foundation. And right now I am medium FB08. When the Sephora sale comes on in about a month or so, when you get 20% off because I am VIB Rouge, I will be purchasing not a backup but my summer color. So this is my regular everyday color, and I have a summer color. I'll just be purchasing it a shade darker. And there you have it. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe all down below, or you can catch me on all my social media, which is right here. That's at kiss.jennie. That's spelled kiss.jennie. Jennie with an IE, or you can catch me at all my, you can subscribe onto my channel, which is right here, or you can catch me on my last video. Just click on my last video right here. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.